I've got so many things I want to ask you. Like, why have humans returned to the forest? And what was that monster that tried to eat you?
That wasn't a monster. That was a machine.
What's a machine?
It's a thing for cutting down trees.
That's terrible.
Only if you live in a tree.
I do live in a tree.
Oh.
You didn't have anything to do with that machine, did you?
With me? No. No, of course not. Oops. How could I have anything to do with something that eats trees?
Could it come to FernGully?
Oh, no, of course not. You've got nothing to worry about.
Why?
Because, it's trapped.
Oh, I know. By those red marks. It can't go past them. Well, they must be magic.
Yeah. You know, you're pretty smart, Fairy.
I want to learn magic like yours.
Yeah? Well, here. Come here.
What is it?
It's fire.
That's fire? Ow!
Careful.